if you're going to buy a van, come and try them all out. Just done a review on this van, haven't we?
Yeah.
Mazda Bongo.
Mazda Bongo. Great little van. Have you showed people the van?
Yeah, yeah.
You
We've had a good look around. Got a nice cab area.
Yeah.
Yeah, pop top.
Little Mazda.
Pop top which will sleep 2 people above. Typical Volkswagen layout.
Yeah. Little micro camper van, which well under 20 grand you're gonna get. It's low mileage, to 40,000 miles.
2004 automatic.
Yeah. Now, basically, what you're getting the hobs, you're getting the sink, you're getting a fridge, and on this van, quite important as well, which does old value as well, we're getting the heating system.
Yeah.
But somewhere down the line, you are probably going to want to move up for a few more luxuries. So this is a great van to get into to start camping. Again, you can use it as a dual purpose. So then your next van you're probably going to get into then would be
something like this one. Autosleeper symbol.
Now, Autosleeper symbol have been doing these camper vans since what, 1998, something like that?
Same layout.
Same layout, nothing's changed.
This is the short wheelbase one, isn't it?
So there we go, we've got the little camper there, the micro camper, and at some point, again,
slightly
short
longer,
wheelbase.
because this is still a short wheelbase.
Yeah. Not got the pop top, and I'll show you why it's not got the pop top, though some of the new campers coming on the market do have the pop top. So there we go, we've got the micro. Give you the strap, Kev. We're going to move now into the camper van, basically. Let's switch this on. The Autosleeper, as we said, we've been doing them for ages. This one's on the Peugeot, because it's a newer van, you're getting all the mod cons with the media
two
park.
swivel seats.
2 swivel seats. And then you're getting obviously more space, and because it's a camper van you can stand up in them as well. So the first thing we're looking at is space, basically. Like the previous van, we've got hobs, but when you're getting into the camper van now, we're starting to get a few more things. We're getting the hobs, we get a combined grill, an oven. And then the other difference is because obviously what we can do with having more space, we can start then to have hot water, heated and hot water,
and the microwave.
And then also, again, we're getting a microwave.
And
so
we've even got an extractor hood.
We're starting to get more things because we've got
more refinements.
Yeah. And then you will now get a bigger fridge.
3-way fridge, is it? Or is that?
And that will be that's a 3-way fridge. So before we have the compressor fridge. What's the compressor fridge, Kev?
Compressor fridge relies on compression. It works off 12 volt only, and it doesn't rely on fluids running round, so it just works solely off 12 volt. 3-way fridge,
which are really good as well.
Yeah, a 12 volt fridge will run off 12 volt while you're driving, gas or mains electric.
No, a 3-way fridge now you're on about.
A 3-way fridge, yeah.
3-way fridge is what?
It runs off 12 volt, it runs off
mains,
and it runs off gas. It's an absorption fridge.
So there's your difference between the two. The 3-way fridge gives you more practicality where, like I say, if you're running down on your leisure battery, you can use the gas.
But saying that, the compressors use very little power off your 12 volt.
Once they get to temperature...
I mean, we just found out that the leisure battery was flat on that Bongo, and how long's that Bongo been parked up with the fridge turned on because somebody left the fridge on?
We don't know, Kev. That's nice.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah. That's different.
So, the Bongo... The difference with the Bongo is we couldn't have anywhere for a toilet or anything like that. And Kev's going to show you the difference when we get into a camper van.
The camper van, obviously, we've got... When I get in it, Jason, oh, there we go. We have got a combined shower toilet area. And what we have to, obviously, because it's a compact space, there's your shower. Plenty of room for a shower. Good shower area. And we have a drop down wash basin, so we've, like Jason said, we've got hot and cold water, so we have got a good size area for showering. The toilet will swivel to give you even more room, so as you can see it is a good size shower area. So that's the difference you'll get in this compared with a Bongo, because obviously no shower room. You could have a porta potty and then probably a toilet tent outside somewhere.
Exactly. The other thing we're getting, which we didn't get much with the Bongo, the micro camper, is we're now starting to get.
Getting lots more storage.
Lots more storage as well.
Here as well.
You know what I mean, we're getting storage,
getting
wardrobe. Obviously, we're having the mod cons there. We've got the tally.
And the one thing with this, Jason, it is only a 2-berth.
But I'm just going to show you now. So with the little Bongo, for sleeping arrangements, this is what we have to do. Sleeping arrangements works off what's known as the rock and roll bed, Kev.
Yep.
It basically comes down, is your bed area, and now you are taking up a lot of room in the van.
Rock on Tommy.
Eh?
Rock on Tommy.
And then,
but this one has also got, because you've got 4 belts in this, you have got facility up above to sleep 2 children.
yes.
So it is.
Hence with the popped up down, we are getting that advantage of sleeping above there. So you do have a bit of versatility where it could be 4. 4 will be crowded in a small micro, but you do have that option if you do decide to take the grandchild away.
Well, I've seen where people don't use a rock and roll bed and sleep up there, you know, when you've got a couple.
What we're getting with the camper van, Teddy,
Come hither.
is we do have the option
We have
of
got
having a single.
Yep.
Because we would swivel the seat there, Kev.
And also we have one further travel seat, so we've got, it comes as a 3-berth, as a 2-berth. So you've got 2 singles.
Yeah,
Yeah.
which we have 2 singles. Or if we want to, we can pull the middle out, and now we're getting into the.
I think what you'd find, Jason, taller people would probably find it just a bit. You know, I mean, I won't have the trouble sleeping transversely, because we do get people that are quite tall and they find out any van conversion with it.
But I think the advantage of having the 2 singles as well is at night, if you need to get up,
Go to the loo.
go to the loo, or in the morning if somebody still wants to have a lie, and like me, at 6 o'clock I'm normally out doing 20-mile runs.
You don't know there's 2 6 o'clocks in a day.
How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? The other side, one the Autosleepers are really good at is the beds. How simple is that?
And the build quality as well.
Yeah, really, really good. Like I say, they've been making these vans for donkey's years. But what we're also getting when the bed's made up, whether it's a double or a single, we can still access everything else that's in here. Obviously, again, due to space.
You've got options for tables as well. You've got a pedestal table that will drop into there, which will be in the wardrobe. And is there a freestanding table as well? Yeah, I think there is.
There will be. Yeah, because we've got the poles, haven't we? Yeah. And everything. Right, so having a little camper van, the micro camper van, why would you want to swap up? And one of the biggest things is why people want to swap up is it's age.
Yeah.
We all get older, Kev, don't we?
And a little bit more luxury.
Yes, we want a toilet. That's what we want. A porta potty is all good and fine, but we need a toilet.
Yeah.
And also with the rock and roll bed, it's obviously restricting what you do. You've seen totally the versatility now of moving up to the camper van, basically. So that's why you see a good place to start, and then you can move up that way.
So you start with that.
There we go.
And you save your pennies, you finish with this.
But we can go into later into.
And then if you wanted to, you can go from this to one of those. Or if you didn't want to go too big, to one of those. There's loads of different layouts and vans on the market. If you're going to buy a van, come and try them all out.
And once you're starting to get into these type of camper vans, these are doing exactly the same as the Motorhome, which they're all going to have the same features of hot water, heating and everything else. But just a little video there showing you from a micro camper moving up to a camper van, the little bit of the differences that there are, but just like both of them, you can have just as much fun. And like I say, tending to when you're moving up to this one is generally down to age, and you just can't be bothered.
Anybody thinking of buying a van, or wanting to upsize, or trying to choose a layout, pay us a visit. Come and have a look at what we've got in stock. Try
I like what you've done there, Kev.
Yeah.
I like what you've done. You've promoted us.
Yeah, well, unless you sit in it, lie in it, Yeah, because you can make the bed up. You know, we get customers coming making the bed up.
Especially with how prices are now, obviously they're going down and everything. Yeah. A great van to start off with is your micro camper, where you can just go for a couple of days at a time.
Yeah.
Potter here and there, 30 miles in any direction, great place just to start yourself off, and then obviously then you can move up to the camper van just like what we're showing you here.
And the other advantage, Jason, if they come to look at the vans, they get to meet us, don't they?
Oh, okay.
The
I don't like the
Motorhome.
meeting part.
Eh?
You talk for hours though.
I know, yes.
You just talk and talk and talk. Anyway, if you've enjoyed the video, like, subscribe. Little video on the difference between a micro to small camping unit, progression and stages of getting into the motorhome market.
Yeah.
Let us know in the comments what you think.
Yeah, and pay us a visit and have a look at some of these lovely vans.
You're on it today, aren't you?
I am,
Hey?
yeah. On a roll. We're going home for a bit now, though.
I know.